YouTube, Toby from Oz here. So here is one side view of an Austin Healey 106 and a side view of the other side of an Austin Healey 106 and a side view of the chassis. We've got a shroud and the front of the shroud needs a little bit of working, and the rear shroud which also needs a little bit of working. Two vent lids, fuel tank, oh yeah, bonnet over here, Healey 106 bonnet, and we have suspensions, engine parts, wiper drive, engine mounting brackets, tail shaft, generator mounting bracket, right hand drive steering column, 4-speed gearbox, pair of carbies, seat rails, handbrake, master cylinder, jacks, more shocky components, more front suspension components. That and that pile of stuff is all part of the rear axle assembly. A pair of springs, we've got 1, 2 heads, we've got a radiator complete, and I believe we've also got 2 partial radiators, top and bottom tank. And in addition to this, we have a motor assembled and a block unassembled. Still got pistons, still got a crank in it and stuff like that, so enough usable bits between the two hopefully to make a decent motor, if that's your intention. Alright, so windscreen, it's a complete windscreen frame, surrounds, left and right stanchions, and a complete set of cockpit bows on the car still. 2 steering wheels, an assortment of illumination. There's a tonneau and a hood, no hood bows. As far as gauges go, Vito, Teco, box full of sorted parts. You've got your handle for the dash. There's a pair of door handles. There's a pair of boot hinges. There's a boot latch. And even a spare door handle. Brand new Healey 106 badge. There's a striker plate in here, I think. Striker plate. Pair of hood rubbers. It's like a tail light rubber. I'm not sure what that piece is. All those pieces are quite what else. It even comes with a set of points, guaranteed not to be original. Yeah, so Healey 100 for sale.